Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing the May Simply Earth recipe box, and I'm really excited this month because one of you is going to win a box for free. Okay, I share this box every month so you guys know the deal. If you don't, it's a subscription box that is $39. The value is way over that, and you get it sent to your house once a month. You get 4 oils and a bunch of recipes and cards and ingredients to make. The first box, when you order and subscribe, you get access to an Essential Oil Heroes course, which is like everything you need to know about using essential oils if you're first starting out. You also get a big bonus box with coconut oil, almond oil, a bunch of bottles and rollers. So they really set you up. They have a lot of information and resources, and they're really about educating you, not just selling you oils and hoping that you figure it out on your own. So this is the monthly recipe box that you get in the mail. This is like after your first box, this is what you'll get each month. And then you open it and you'll have everything in here. These are the 4 oils, which the colors of them make me so happy this month. How cute. And the theme this month is women's health, which I love. I have a whole video on hormones and I talk about them a lot, and just kind of balancing yourself and taking care of woman things with oils. I just can stand behind it. It's helped me so much and I love it. So I'm really glad that this month that's the theme. Clary Sage is one of the main oils used for balancing you and just kind of helping with symptoms of your monthly cycle, and I use it almost daily. I love the smell of it too. It's sweet and fragrant. I'm diffusing it right now, or the oil that has Clary Sage in it. So I'll share. You get 1 blend and 3 oils, and then you also get a recipe to make a blend. So basically you're getting 5 bottles of essential oil. But here are the oils just in order from how they're stacked in here. Lemon, right? Yeah, lemon. That is a super fresh, like we all know what lemon smells like. This smells like the freshest lemon peel. Oh, and this one isn't opened, and I have so much lemon, so I'm not going to open this. I might give this away in a future giveaway, but I just try to I'm trying now to save oils because I do get so many that I don't want to stock up on ones that I already have. Anyways, here's Marjoram. This is an oil I have not had solo. I hear about it. It's in a few blends, but I haven't had just Marjoram. That's how you spell it, right? Or say it. So this is from the, yeah, on the bottle, it has a lot of, or all of the little tidbits of where the oil is from, what it smells like, the ingredients, so the Latin name, so it's from the flower and leaf, it's from Hungary, and the aroma is sweet and herbaceous. So I feel like I'm gonna like it. Sweet and herbaceous and floral are my favorites. Ooh, it's very potent at first. It's like multifaceted. It's like tea tree kind of, but then it's sweet. There's like layers. Ooh, I'm really liking it. It is like fresh, light, and herbaceous. That is really good. I like it. It's in a lot of blends. I always see it like listed in essential oil blends. Spearmint is next. And this is just, I mean, spearmint gum if you like that. This is just such a fresh minty oil. Oops, I touched my nose. It's just, I don't know, fresh spearmint. What does this say? Sweet and minty. It is a sweeter mint. I love spearmint though. That's my favorite mint. And then Lady's Choice. This is the blend. So this has Clary Sage, geranium, marjoram, and lavender. And it smells so good. I'm diffusing it, like I said, right now. Clary Sage is just like such a feminine fragrance. And I love that it also helps support our bodies too, but it just smells so good. It's uplifting with the lavender and geranium. This is like, I don't know, I just would diffuse this any time of the day. But let's jump into the recipes, and then I'll share a little bit about how I use Clary Sage personally, but maybe they'll cover it in all of these. But okay, so in the side of your box you have some things, and Frankie, our dog, has been getting into things while we leave. She never did that. She's 2 now, and all of a sudden she's doing that. But anyways, she got into this, and I hope this is all that came in this box because it was open, and thank God she didn't get into the oils, but she just like had all of these flung across the floor. So this is just what's left, and hopefully it's everything. This is a cardboard empty tube. They had this same one when we were doing a DIY deodorant a couple months ago, which I love. I like switching up my deodorants, and just to be able to make your own is so nice. Some aloe vera also came in the side, and then an empty spray bottle. This has a spray nozzle, so we're gonna make a spray of some sort and see what the recipes, and you also get stickers to label everything, and they're always cute. So you have like for tops of the bottles and then labels for everything that you get to make. So it's everything you need. It makes it so easy. It's like DIY done right and fun. Okay, so moisturizing hair mask is first. These are really nice recipe cards too. They're not just like flimsy paper, they're cardstock, and so you can keep them. They also sell a box, like a wooden box that you can keep them in. Turmeric infusion. Oh, what is this going to be? So it's turmeric spice and then almond oil. Strain, stain the skin using so you use it with spearmint, marjoram, lemon, and then you massage it onto affected area for soothing relief. Turmeric is really good for anti-inflammatory, so I'm assuming that's really cool. And what was the first one made of? So the moisturizing hair mask is aloe vera, coconut oil, which comes in your bonus box. Then marjoram and cornstarch is something you'll need to have on hand. So it has a star next to the things that you like might need to have, just that they don't include, but it's usually something you would normally have. Hair mask sounds nice. I can't decide. I want to chop my hair again to like shoulder length, but it's already grown so much, so I don't know if I want to do that or not. Let me know what you think I should do in the comments. Okay, beauty skincare balm. So this looks nice. This is for bottoms of your feet, cuticles, just a moisturizer. So all of the oils, oh, that is going in here. Oh, so that's nice. So you'll have like a little lotion balm, basically. That's nice for traveling, unless it gets really hot in your car, not for summertime. Flow roll-on. Okay, so this is probably a roller that's going to help support during your cycle, or during your period, really. So it has the Lady's Choice, the lemon, marjoram, and coconut oil. You put it in a roller bottle, which comes in your bonus box, and then apply to the abdomen for soothing relief. And that is how I use Clary Sage. I use it daily on my ankles and wrists, just because it smells good and supports you, but also it does help with cramps and like just symptoms of your period. Mother's Day Diffuser blend is next. So this is a blend you'll put like 20 drops of each oil into an empty bottle, which you get in your bonus box, and then you have your own blend. And this one's called the Mother's Day one. So I'm gonna love it because I already love the Lady's Choice that I'm diffusing. You just add that and then some extra marjoram and lemon, and then a cooling spray, which will go in that empty spray bottle. So this is aloe vera, the Lady's Choice, spearmint, and water. Oh, and GeoGuard ECT, which I don't even know what that is. It says it's not in this month's box, but it's available as an add-on to your box. It's an eco-friendly preservative that can help make this product last up to 9 months. That's really cool. All right, so you mix everything together, pour into the bottle, and then to use, shake, and spray for soothing relief. Awesome. So I think it's so cool that there are so many ways to support your body naturally. And I know it doesn't work for everyone, and not everyone is for that life, but I love it, and I am almost just exclusively natural in most of the things that I do now. It's been, I don't know, maybe a little bit over 3 years that we started on this journey, so it takes a really long time, but it's rewarding. It pays off. You actually save money, you're healthier, you're happier. There's just, and it's empowering just to know that you can create something like this to support your body that's so effective and no side effects. Like medicine always has a side effect, I feel like. So anyways, that's my little spiel on being natural, but I also know that it's not for everyone. So the value of this box is $189. That's crazy. So it's obviously way over the $39 that it costs you each month, and it's usually between $100 and $200 the value. But okay, so who wants to win one of these May boxes? I'm excited to do this giveaway because I should do more on here, and I did a poll and you guys said you want to see more giveaways. So this will be one of many to come, but one person will win a May box. All you have to do is follow or subscribe to both of our YouTube channels and both of our Instagrams, and I'll put that down below. So super easy to enter. You don't have to follow 100 people or like do all of these different things. Just follow us and you'll be entered. Read the rules though, because there will be an emoji that you need to leave so I know that you're entered, and then make sure to check back because I did my last giveaway. I let the person know they won, and I don't even know if they saw it or what, so make sure you come back and check on your comments to see if you were the winner. But I will announce the winner in 1 week, so just read below. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions on this month's box. I get really excited each month for Simply Earth because it's always different. And it's always seasonal, so something that you will be needing that month. This one obviously you can use all year, but it's like spring cleaning or like just different things. And it's also like when you go on Pinterest and just go or search on Pinterest for something specific like hormone support, whatever, they just give you, you know, your basic whatever Clary Sage, but they give you different options, and then also the recipes and directions on how to use them specifically. It's fun and different, and I love that they educate and just really love helping you use oils and using them the right way. They're aromatherapists, so they are very keen on safety and all of that. But anyways, that is my spiel. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck to all of you who enter the giveaway. I'm really excited. Maybe I'll do it every month. Let me know if you would like that. Thank you for watching to the end. I hope you have a great day. Bye.